Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWA practice problem 6.5. So for this problem, the strategy will be to first create this profile here, then extrude it, do a mid-plane extrusion out 50 millimeters, and then make a circle in this plane here to then do a revolved cut 270 degrees to cut out this part, and then use that same circle to do an extrude cut out in this direction. So let's get started. We're going to be working in the front plane to create that basic profile, which consists of a circle with radius 50, so we'll just do 50 times 2. That's 100 for the diameter. And then to create that little pointy part, we use a couple of lines. So starting from the top of the circle, out in this direction 50. There we go. And then also from the right side of the circle, up 50. Now it does give a little warning. The automatic relations inferred by this operation would overdefine the sketch. They will not be added. So it's taking care of the fact that it's not going to overdefine this sketch. So we're fully defined, but we don't want this curve right here exactly, so we can go ahead and trim that part off. And now we've got the main part. We just need to get rid of that little circle in the middle, or create a circle in the middle. And the diameter of this guy, let me just move over here, is 25. All right. So 25, oops, I lost my focus, so I'm going to have to do it manually. 25. Okay, now we're going to do a mid-plane extrusion, so we'll select mid-plane, it was already selected, and then we're going 50. So there's the main part. Now we have to cut away the revolved part and then do a straight cut as well. So we're going to be working in the right plane. We'll create a center line that goes right up to here, and then a circle with radius 16, so gotta do times 2 for the diameter of 32. And then we'll also want to have a center line for our axis of rotations. That's going to be basically like this. Some horizontal line going like this. See how that's going to be our axis of rotation? So then we can do a revolved cut, selecting this as our axis of rotation. Now we only want to go 270 degrees, but it's doing it in the wrong direction, so we have to flip that. So we're going to change the direction of the cut. So now it's in the direction that we want. All right, it's counterclockwise. Okay, so far we've got the cut that we want, the revolved cut that we want. Now we're going to take that same circle and do a straight cut. So we'll do extruded cut. We have to find that circle sketch, the sketch that the circle was in. It's doing it in the wrong direction, so we're going to switch the direction, and we can just do a through all cut. And there we go. Oops. All right, so our volume is 292,994. And if we look over here, we've got a volume of 292,994 cubic millimeters. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for something more professional, check out Design with Roozbe. This guy does an awesome job making YouTube videos, breaking down each practice problem. Take care and keep studying.